Let's talk about You May All Now Celebrate briefly. I've always had a bit of an issue providing feedback, especially positive feedback. It's not a kind of feedback that I seek out for myself, and as a result, I do have a tendency to sometimes forget to give it. I made a video recently talking about the kinds of feedback you want to get and why it's actually good to get both positive and negative feedback, and why positive feedback ideally should be delivered in a way that it can lead to more of that same behavior. But we're back in the Dragon Age Origins time, and I'm still getting my feet underneath myself in terms of being a leader of an entire project. The only project that I've shipped in that role up till now is Sonic Chronicles: The Dark Brotherhood, which was a much smaller team, and the interaction that I had with the rest of the team, much more personal. There's a lot less need for blanket kind of statements. Benoît, who is a name that you may not know, but probably should, is the Senior Development Director on the Dragon Age franchise. Honestly, if you enjoy BioWare games, if you've enjoyed any BioWare games in the last 15 years, Benoît is part of the reason why those games even managed to ship. So while his is a name that you've probably never heard, it's a name that it deserves to be respected within BioWare's history. Benoît is very much a person who loves and cares for other people. And as a result, he is in a lot of ways my mirror, my opposite. He is the person that helped the teams that I led have a personal touch. He's the person that encouraged me to be more willing to give praise, to be more willing to provide a more personal interaction with the team as a whole. And this is where You May All Now Celebrate briefly comes from. Benoît is encouraging me to celebrate when we have success, when we hit a milestone, when we have a successful demo, when we have something that is good to bring the team together to celebrate. But my own pragmatism is unwilling to celebrate completely, to completely lose ourselves in celebration. There's always still work to be done. So that's where the briefly comes from. This is me saying to the team to embrace and recognize the accomplishment that has occurred, but to remember that there's still work to be done. So to enjoy the moment, but to move on and get back to the work that needs to be done. Over the years, this saying has become a fixture within BioWare, at least on projects that I have led. Because as I've lived with it, as I've matured as a leader, as I've become a little bit more capable of giving positive feedback, it's remained because I actually think there is strength in here. I think there are two important things that are worth talking about in You May All Now Celebrate briefly. First of all, I think you need to acknowledge when something good has happened. I think you need to celebrate. I think you need to spend time as a group, as a team, acknowledging the good things. This goes beyond just feeling your feelings. It isn't you may all now feel happy briefly. It's you may all now celebrate briefly. I think there is power in the ritual of celebration, power in the externalization of that emotion. But I also do believe that it's always important to remember that there's still work to be done. Teams can become mired in their own success. They can become convinced of how great they are. And it's worth remembering that after the celebration, there still remains work to be done. As I thought about making this video, what I realized is that this extends beyond celebration. Any big emotions, any big events are worth acknowledging. and worth interacting with in an appropriate way before picking yourself up the other side and remembering that there's work to be done. If something sad happens, it's worth saying, you may all now mourn briefly. If you are angry, you may all now rage briefly. If you are scared, take a moment and panic. Take a moment and flail around, but then come back into yourself, realize that there is still work to be done, and get to it. Right now, some people may be feeling like it's time to celebrate, and some people may be feeling other emotions. But I think that this framework, such as it is sort of randomly coalescing from my earlier inability to provide positive feedback to a team, is worth remembering in good times and in bad times, that you may all now acknowledge your feelings, do something to externally acknowledge those feelings, and then realize that there's work still to be done and get back to it. So whether you feel like celebrating or panicking or raging or mourning, know that that's okay. That is more than okay. It's worth doing. It is helpful to yourself. It's helpful to the people around you to come together as a group and feel the things that you feel. But after that, remember that there's still work to be done and that you need to get back to it. Ritual is important. Teams that have ritual are stronger because they have better abilities to bring in new people and integrate them into their network, integrate them into their culture. This can serve as the foundation of team ritual. Celebrate the things that need celebrating. Mourn the things that need mourning. Come together as a group in order to externalize the emotions that the team is feeling. But then, after that is done, get back to work. A special thanks to my members. They provide the resources that this channel needs to keep running. If you're interested in becoming a member, there's a link to that down in the description. We also have a Patreon if you are more comfortable supporting the channel in that way. Of course, we have merch. This is the You May All Now Celebrate shirt. I am going to make You May All Now Rage, You May All Now Panic, and You May All Now Mourn shirts as well, if you are interested in picking one of those up. I've been wanting to do a video about this topic, about why this saying exists in my orbit. But as I went to do it, I realized that this could be something broader than that. Do you buy this? Is this something that you find helpful? Is it something you think is trite and stupid? Either way, let me know down in the comments. I will see you again soon. Thank you.